Hey guys, this video is of my wife and I venturing off the Tar River Trail in Rocky Mount, North Carolina onto the Rocky Mount Sports Complex Trail. This loop from the Tar River and back is a 2¼ mile, 8-foot wide combination of asphalt and concrete trail. It is a virtually flat course. To the right is the Tar River. We'll take a left here off the Tar River Trail onto the Rocky Mount Sports Complex Trail. My wife and I have Sena R1 smart helmets. These helmets have an intercom which allows you to communicate with other riders wearing a Sena smart helmet.
Get on the sidewalk, just there to your right there on the sidewalk. You go all the way down to that light and there's a push button and you push it and wait for it to stop the cars and you go across. Can't ask for anything better than that.
The road to our left is Church Street, US Highway 301 business. The camera that I'm using for this video is an Insta-1 X360. It is not the best camera to use for this type of video, but it does have a great stabilization feature. It is mounted on my handlebars, so the stabilization speaks for itself.
That hand will come up telling you when to go. Okay, here we go.
The building on the right is the former headquarters for Hardee's Fast Food, which later became the headquarters of Sanera Bank. Now it is in the process of becoming a new headquarters for the NCDMV. 48 years ago, this was the first building that I took part in producing the architectural drawings. All of the sports complex area was originally the Rocky Mount Municipal Airport and later renamed Rocky Mount Downtown Airport that closed down in the mid-80s. In the mid-2000s, the development of the Rocky Mount Sports Complex started.
Clear.
To the right are 11 ball fields, 6 softball and 5 baseball. In the spring, summer, and fall, these fields are active with teams throughout the state playing ball. During the winter months, it is pretty much closed down.
Straight.
I'm going to speed things up along this trailway.
Yesterday. Yeah, hard right here. Now I'm going to turn off on this trail up here to the left. back up in there, but it's not much up in there. Dead ends right up here. That's how I came down that too. Just, yeah, it's wetter today than it was yesterday. How you doing? Fine. On your left.
I took this aerial video about 2 years ago with my drone.
This trail is not marked properly on maps that I've seen. You got it coming in from the left up here, but I don't see anything coming in from the left.
At this point, we're backtracking to the Tall River Trail. Okay, you ready? No. Are you ready to go back, huh? There's the train. I'll let you get in front. We ran this corner. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now.